Paint protection film benefits. Paint protection film, or PPF, is more than just a product. It's your car's best defense against everyday wear and tear. In this video, I'll go over my top 3 benefits for getting paint protection film. First up, scratch and stain resistance. PPF provides a barrier against scratches from road debris, stray stones, and other abrasive elements. It also repels chemical stains from bird droppings, tree sap, and oxidation that can permanently mar your car's paint. Another major benefit is the self-healing technology behind it. Minor scratches on the film disappear with the application of heat, maintaining a smooth and clean surface. Every time I do this, it blows my mind. With the application of heat, these scratches just disappear. And let's not forget about its hydrophobic properties. Water beads and slides right off, taking dirt and grime with it, which actually means less maintenance on your vehicle. I want to take a moment now to show you guys what I'm talking about. For this example, I want to show how well the water beads off the surface of the vehicle. Have some water here, and I'm just going to lightly pour it. And you can literally clean the surface with just water. It is incredible. At the end of the day, paint protection film is more than just protection. It's peace of mind. I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any more questions or comments, drop them down below.